Alright guys, welcome back to another video. For this video, we're gonna make a plane called the hunting flight. It is both distance and gliding plane. The first step is you need a letter-sized piece of paper, a pencil, and a ruler. Now, all you need to do is make a crease from the top of the piece of paper to the bottom. And by doing that, just fold the piece of paper in half. After you do that, straighten the crease that you just made. After that, please unfold the piece of paper. Now, measure with your ruler, measure about 2 inches down from the top of the paper. And fold down the piece of paper. Now, grab the top of the paper and line up this line to this line we just made. Now, just do that step again, but line up this crease with this line. Now, straighten out the piece of paper. Alright, after that, fold this corner, fold the left corner into the center crease. You may need a ruler for this since it's kind of hard to fold since there's a very straight crease on top. Alright. After you've done that, do the same to the other side. Alright, now straighten out the creases that you just made. Now, fold the plane outside, like this. Now that you've done that, straighten out the creases that we just made, here and here. Now, fold the wing, the tip here, in a diagonal angle like this. Now, after you do that, do the same to the other side. Now open up the wings and it should be like this. Now grab your ruler again and line up about a half an inch towards your wing. Now just fold until you get that half an inch. Now do the same to the other side. After you did that, remember to straighten out the creases that we just made. Now, grab the plane from the bottom, and now you got yourself the hunting plane.